Hey everyone, welcome back. It's the time of 2026 and AI is everywhere, but are you actually using it the right way? I see so many beginners making the same 5 mistakes over and over, and it's costing them time, money, and even their jobs. Today, we are going to break down these mistakes so you can avoid them and get ahead of the curve. Ready? Let's dive in. The first and biggest mistake is using AI without understanding prompts. So many people treat AI like a magic 8-ball, typing in random, vague questions and then getting frustrated when the answers are terrible. Think of it this way: AI is your super smart intern. You wouldn't just tell your intern write a report and walk away, right? No, you'd give them clear instructions, context, examples, and maybe even a specific tone of voice to use. The exact same principle applies to AI. The quality of your prompt directly determines the quality of your output. Garbage in, garbage out. If you learn how to craft a detailed, specific prompt, you'll get results that are 10 times better than what most people are getting. It's the single most important skill to learn. Alright, mistake number 2, trusting AI answers blindly. This one is super dangerous. AI models can and do make things up. This is often called hallucination, where the AI generates plausible sounding but completely false information. It can also pull from outdated sources or misunderstand the nuance of your question. I've seen students copy and paste AI-generated essays without checking the facts, only to fail their assignments. I've seen professionals present AI-generated data in meetings that was just plain wrong. Remember, AI is a tool to assist your thinking, not replace it. Always, always, always fact-check its output. Use it as a starting point, a brainstorming partner, or a first draft creator, but never as the final, unquestionable source of truth. Your critical thinking is still your most valuable asset. Next up, mistake number 3, using way too many AI tools at once. This is the shiny object syndrome of the AI world. A beginner hears about a new AI writing assistant, a new AI image generator, and a new AI video editor, and they immediately sign up for all of them. Before they know it, they have dozens of subscriptions, a browser full of forgotten tabs, and they haven't actually mastered any of them. This tool overload leads to confusion and kills your productivity. Instead of trying to learn 10 tools at a surface level, pick 1 or 2 that are truly essential for your work. Go deep, learn all their features, master their quirks, and integrate them fully into your workflow. A true master of one tool is far more effective than a novice at 10. This brings me to mistake number 4, avoiding automation skills. Many beginners stop at using AI for simple tasks like chatting or writing a quick email. They're missing the real magic. The true power of AI is unlocked when you use it for automation. This means learning how to connect different apps using APIs, building automated workflows, and letting AI handle repetitive, multi-step processes for you. For example, you can set up a system where an email from a client automatically triggers an AI to draft a response. Create a task in your project manager and schedule a follow-up. This is where you save serious hours and mental energy. Don't just chat with AI. Learn to command it. Automation is the skill that separates the amateur from the pro in 2026. And finally, mistake number 5, ignoring data privacy and ethics. This is a huge one. In their rush to use these cool new tools, beginners are uploading sensitive information without a second thought. This could be their own personal data, confidential client information, or proprietary company documents. Have you read the privacy policy of that free AI tool you're using? Do you know how they use your data? Many services use your inputs to train their models, which means your private information could become part of the AI's public knowledge base. This can lead to massive legal, ethical, and security disasters. Always be mindful of what you're feeding the machine. Use secure, enterprise-grade AI for sensitive work, and never ever paste private information into a public AI chatbot. So to wrap it all up, AI in 2026 isn't about just using it. It's about using it smartly. It rewards the thoughtful user, not the careless one. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes: bad prompting, blind trust, tool overload, ignoring automation, and poor data privacy, you'll be miles ahead of everyone else. Learning to use AI properly is the real competitive advantage. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content. And let me know in the comments which mistake you see people making the most. See you in the next video.